Hey guys, welcome back to Indian Regional Recipes. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to see how to make sweet corn chicken soup. Actually, this is the right time to prepare this soup and have it at home when it's pouring heavily outside the house, like you're sitting in a balcony. You can imagine it's so awesome. And this is the actually right time because it's monsoon and the winter is coming now. Alright, so let's see the recipe. I just boiled some chicken uh, with some ginger and peppercorns. Now I removed the ginger and peppercorns. I just it's like you just have to throw it. You don't there is no need of it. Just remove only the chicken pieces. Shred the chicken into small pieces and keep it aside. And separate the chicken stock. Keep it handy. Here I've taken 1.5 tablespoon sweet corn kernels. I just boiled for 5 to 10 minutes. These are like kind of half boiled sweet kernels. I'm just taking half of them and grinding into a fine paste. Now many people add sugar in this soup, as the name it says that sweet corn soup, but I would like to get the sweetness from the corn itself. I do the natural sweetness I like. I don't want to add sugar in it. Also sometimes it depends on the mood as well. If I feel like having little sweet, then I add. Here in this video I'm not adding, but if you want, you can add a pinch of sugar. Take some oil in a pan, add crushed garlic, spring onion white bulbs, and then some green chilies. Around 1 green chili I'm adding here. Saute this about 5 minutes. When it becomes brown, then add the corn paste that we just prepared. Mix all of them together and then add the chicken stock and the rest of the corn kernels and let it boil. You can keep it on high flame. There is no problem. There is no fear of burning or something, or sticking or something onto the pan. Here I am adding very less corn slurry. Many people like it to be very thick. I don't like it to be very thick. I like it to be medium. So these all things can be adjusted according to your taste and your desired consistency. Well, all the ingredients that we require to prepare this recipe have been already displayed in the starting on the screen. For your reference, you can check that out. Very minimal ingredients we require to prepare this recipe. It's very yummy, as I said, especially for this monsoon and the coming winter. Alright, after adding all these things, let it come to a boil. When it starts boiling, then add the corn slurry and just mix it thoroughly and let it again come to a boil. When it's boiling, then add 1 egg white. If you want, you can add 2 egg whites. As I said, I don't want that the eggy smell of it so much in the soup, so therefore I'm adding only 1 egg white. Guys, you have to remember that when you add the egg white, you have to keep stirring it. Even I forgotten to stir it in this video, if you have noticed, but it's wrong. You have to keep stirring it when you're adding egg whites. Along with the egg whites, I just added the chicken pieces, but you don't do the same mistake. When you are adding egg whites, just keep stirring it for a minute and then add the shredded chicken. And then at the last, garnish it with some spring onions. During this COVID situation, it's not safe to go out for a dinner or lunch. Whenever you feel like, or maybe your family or your kids might feel like having something different, Chinese or different cuisines, like at that point of time you can just prepare this and give it to them. I believe the kids would definitely like this soup, and it's healthy and yummy too. So please try this and do let me know how you like it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find this video useful. If yes, then please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much. And the same video is available in 2 more languages. The Links have been given in the description box. You can check that out.